Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Bad Unboxing. Just kidding. Just kidding. Today we're playing What's Inside the Box. With me. Catch patient. Alright, so today I'm pretty sure you've seen What's Inside the Box. I'm pretty sure you know how it goes. Do you care to explain how it goes?
No, I don't feel like explaining.
Fuck you too. Anyways, someone's gonna put an object in here. I'm not gonna know, or he's not gonna know. It could be anything. We don't care what it is. Anyways, I'm gonna be first. So Henry, go find something.
Ooh, yeah. Let's see what we can get. Ooh, this looks fun. Ah.
Is that around now?
Yes, you can turn around.
Alright.
Yeah, it's right there. Keep on filling. What are you looking at?
What is it? It's bubbles?
Yeah, why'd you look at it? You're supposed to guess before you grab it out.
Oh, well, too late. Okay. Your turn.
Thought you knew about it. Thought you seen it.
Oh, it's so scared to grab that. Okay.
What did you think it was?
Something.
Oh my. Are we done?
Yeah, we're done.
Alright. What is it?
Put your hand in there.
What is it?
Put your hand in there.
What is it, damn it?
Just put your hand in there.
Oh, I have both of my hands in there. What
Take
is
out one. Only put one.
One.
But the second hole's for us. It's not in the corners.
Well, what is it then?
Just put it there. Come on.
I don't want to. Ooh, what is that? What is that I feel?
Come on.
What is it? Oh, you son of a bitch. What is this? Mousetrap. Where is that?
It's a mouse trap.
I win. 1 point. Ew.
Your turn.
Yeah, mine too. Let's see what you can get from this. This is like level 12 stuff.
Oh shit, for real?
Yeah.
Hope I don't die.
Yeah. You can kill somebody with it.
Am I done?
Yeah, Nick, turn around now. Remember, you have to guess before you take it out.
Shoelace?
Yeah. Level 12 stuff.
Alright, good. Alright, you can turn around. That's what you were supposed to do.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
What is it? Ew. Ew. What is that? It's sticky. Ew. It's like... What is this? It's really sticky. It's like gooey. It's like a gooey little thingy.
Come on, what is it?
I don't know. I'm scared.
Come on, you fucking stupid ass. What is it?
I'm not stupid. How am I stupid for not knowing what it is? Ew, it's
We just ate it late. What is it earlier today?
Rice Krispies.
Yes.
It's like really sticky. I hate it.
Alright, come on. That's right. Alright.
Fish hold. My turn. Alright, hold up. This is so beautiful. Hold on, not yet, damn it. Not done yet.
You done?
Yeah, I'm done. Okay, wait, not yet. Sorry, I'm fairly please. Okay.
Now?
Yeah, now.
Ah!
There's something else in there though.
That was a mouse trap. Rice Krispie Street. Right?
No, wait, you're close to it though.
Ah! Fuck!
There's two.
Mouse trap. Shit hurt.
Yeah. Did you get to set me up with the first one?
Sure.
My turn.
Yeah.
Get the goods. What is it? The Rice Krispie is still stuck to my fingers. Can I turn around now? Is it done?
Yeah, now you can.
Alright. What is it?
Only one hand.
Oh, one hand. One hand. I don't know because it's sticky, like on my finger. Ow! Ah!
There's something else in there. There's something else in there.
What else is in there? Oh, my hands are crippled. What is that? Mashed potatoes?
No.
It's very, very gooey. It's gooey. What is this? Is it ice cream?
No, it's not ice cream. No.
Is it edible?
Yeah, you can eat it. It's really bad for you, but you can eat it. No, it's not lard. It's close to lard.
This is like some kind of oil?
No. What do you use for toast?
Butter. My hand is all covered in all sorts of things. Why did my butter? My fingers bruised. That's fun. This one, keep your eyes closed. This is gonna be amazing.
Alright.
Alright, I'm putting it in. Keep your eyes closed. Turn around.
I am turning around.
No, you ain't. I'm looking at you. Turn around.
I'm turned.
Turn around.
Oh.
Shut your eyes. I'm gonna guide your hand in there. Close your eyes. The butter's already in there, so don't worry about it.
Is that your hand?
Yeah. I thought you'd get scared and think you was on it.
Turn around.
Okay. There's like.
Close your eyes.
Okay, my eyes are closed.
Oh, you already heard it.
Oh, there's things going on. It's scary. Oh, my finger's like hurting though. They're like shutting off the rest of the part of my senses. This is kind of scary, you know, like the nerves. I don't want to go sciencey on this, but like, it's kind of shutting down most of my nerves. It's like, ooh, it's pain. Pain is like, ooh, it's like, oh, my brain's telling me like, there's pain in your finger. Don't worry about anything else but the pain in your finger. So that's basically how it is.
Alright.
Do I keep my eyes closed or
You can turn around.
Am I closed? Oh, never mind. That's the butter. What is this? Is it a breadstick? No, not a breadstick.
No, it's not a stick. There's something else in there too.
What is this? Like a house?
It's a house, yes.
Butter. Wee! What was that? I felt something on my fingers. I'm going back for. Wee! What is that? Is it a roach?
No.
Never mind, it's a hairy roach.
No.
Is it a rat? Is it a rat?
No.
Where'd it go? Scary. Where'd it go? I feel. I heard it go this way. Is it a mouse?
No, it's a hamster.
It's a hamster? You put a live hamster? You put a live animal in here? Yes. Are you serious?
Yes.
Like, holy crap. I want to wash him because put butter. Might
Say hi.
Might as well
everyone.
roast him because I already buttered him up. Put him in the oven. I already got him buttered. Ooh, I got some really.
Alright, just two more to go. Just two more
Two
to
more to
go.
go? Two more? It's your turn and then my turn and it's over?
It'll be my turn, then both of our turns.
Oh, okay. I got you.
I think. You know what? No.
Just
One
you.
on one. Just me.
Just you and then him. That's it.
Mom,
Okay,
shut up.
I have some things right here.
I love you.
Okay, everything's set up. Go reach inside there. You just flattened it. Okay,
What is it?
you gotta reach around. Go more. I'll give you a hand. Go more in the back. Oh, that you touched it.
Card?
Yeah. Ring it.
Alright, my turn.
Oh, okay. So I go behind the food. Still butter my food. Just goes straight down.
Yeah.
My fingers burst.
That's nice.
Did you like crap your pants over there?
I like farted a little bit. Yeah.
Oh damn. Am I turning around now?
No.
Not yet. What are you doing? You better get some secret ingredients. Making a hamburger. Krabby
Not
Patty
yet.
formula. What is it?
All right, now.
Okay, I can turn around now.
Yes.
I'm around. Is it dangerous?
No.
I don't want to kill anything, you know? I don't want to be a murderer.
You won't.
Scared. Card, I win. Right?
No.
Oh, this is what before? I thought you took it.
No, I didn't pick it up.
There's something here. I'm scared of it.
You should be.
Why?
Just kidding. Just kidding, dude.
Oh, no, I'm
Just
terrified
kidding.
now.
It's fake. Just kidding. It's not a lie. That's not a lie.
You best not be lying.
I'm not lying.
I'll kick your ass like, Lee. It's bumpy. Is it a rock?
No.
Rock. Ew. It's like bumpy. It's a turtle.
Yeah.
No,
It's a turtle. Yeah.
It could have killed me. It could have bit my finger off.
All right.
How would you feel if having bit my finger off?
Oh, wow.
Oh, you would have laughed. Yeah, for the views.
All right. That's it. All right. All right, everyone. That will do it for this episode of What's Inside the Box.
Yeah, very fun.
If you like this video, or do you want more of these videos, comment down in the comment section saying we want part 2.
Subscribe
Part
to
2
my channel, too.
will be a lot more better. This is Franklin the Turtle. You'll probably be in part 2 if you like it, or my 4 other turtles. You okay, Franklin?
Put votes in there.
That's Franklin. Anyways, like, subscribe.
See you in the next one.
His channel will be in the description. Of course, this is Henry.
Yeah.
My partner in crime, my partner in gayness, even though I'm not gay.
Bet.
But I'm not gay.
We'll see that about later.
I fucked your mom. Anyways, yeah. That'll do it for this video.